how to enable or disable Show Desktop on the taskbar in Windows 11. If your Show Desktop button has disappeared due to a system tweak or user error, you might be looking for a way to quickly restore it. In this video, we'll cover both simple and advanced methods to manage and restore this taskbar feature. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is the Show Desktop button? The Show Desktop button is found at the far right end of the taskbar next to the system clock. By default, it's enabled and minimizes every open window with a single click, instantly showing your desktop. While it's a handy shortcut, some users disable it to prevent accidental clicks or to enforce a cleaner user interface in controlled environments. The settings discussed here apply to all editions of Windows 11, and the changes are per user unless centrally managed. Toggling Show Desktop via Windows Settings, GUI. The easiest method for personal use doesn't require administrator rights and applies changes immediately. Open Settings by pressing Windows key plus I. Navigate to Personalization and then click Taskbar. Expand taskbar behaviors. Find the box labeled Select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. Check the box to enable the Show Desktop button. Uncheck the box to disable it. Advanced management with Registry Editor and PowerShell automation. For advanced users, IT administrators, or those needing scriptable control, the Registry Editor and PowerShell offer more persistent configuration options. Method 2. Registry Editor. This method does not require administrator privileges for per-user changes, but administrator rights are required if enforcing the settings system-wide or through managed deployments. First, open the Registry Editor by typing regedit in the Run box, Windows key plus R. Navigate to the path, H key, Current User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Explorer, Advanced. Look for a DWORD 32-bit value named Taskbar SD. If it doesn't exist, create it. Set the value. Set 1 to enable the button, set 0 to disable the button. Restart File Explorer by running the command. Method 3. PowerShell script. PowerShell is ideal for automation, remote management, or enterprise deployment. To enable the button, use. To disable the button, use. Why manage the Show Desktop button? Users configure this setting for several reasons, including prevent accidental minimization. Disabling the button avoids unintended window minimization in public or kiosk environments. Enforce a cleaner UI. Managing the feature helps enforce a standard user interface and minimizes desktop distractions. Standardize UI. It's useful for standardizing desktop environments in enterprise or educational settings. Restore functionality. These methods allow you to restore the button if it goes missing due to a system tweak. Controlling the Show Desktop button comes down to managing the underlying Taskbar SD registry value. Whether you choose the user-friendly Settings app, the Advanced Registry Editor, or the automated PowerShell script, you are enforcing the desired behavior through a consistent per-user system setting. This specific control allows users and administrators to tailor the taskbar for optimal efficiency and interface consistency in any Windows 11 environment. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable Show Desktop on the taskbar in Windows 11, linked in the description below.